My country people, it is not a small something. No, it don't set for Nkechi Blessing. Una know our beautiful actress where they call Nkechi Blessing. It don't set with Nkechi Blessing with this guy where they call very dark black man. I be very dark black man. I be name. Where they say they fight against all these people. Where we say that they sell this skincare. Where we say they damage people body, people's skin. Many of these cream they not get NAFDAC number, and this guy is fighting, just they fight them seriously against this thing wey be say that they sell. So my people, e don set for this guy with Nkechi Blessing wey we know. No, na not say Nkechi Blessing, if you tell am one, I must answer you 10. If you tell am one, I must answer you 10. But before I go into this matter, make I first of all greet una. I greet una according to the time wey una dey. Is your girl Linda Gist TV. For those of you that are just coming across my video for the first time, please do me well by hitting this following button, share this video, and do not forget to drop your comment on the comment section. Thank you, my people. So, my people, not be small something. No, before I go into this matter, make I play the video for now. Make una see.
You went up. I am making a live video with no fucking filter, no fucking ring lights. Left I don't even get no lights. You went up, girls. That rat hole where they stay. They get to talk about me. They mad. See, you're not gonna anybody tell another one. What I wanna. You can see different from Jamie's glow. You can see that mad woman. They call me inside madness. If you call for me, I'll call for you times 1 million. I can only apologize to my baby. Say, baby, wait, give me this 24 hours to run mad.
Ewo.
Give me this 24 hours to run mad. Come here, no, I go find you calling Shabuja for that rat hole where they stay. Don't post my fucking picture video on the fucking page. Do not try it. Don't try it. You stupid. We know you're in front of them. Very dark black man in the face. God will punish you. My freaking dream I use had the fucking all the product I use from Dorinda. That's NAFDAC number. See, I'm here. This is the NAFDAC number. NAFDAC A2_101742. Are you stupid?
Ewo.
You know, you feel like I'm better this girl when no will leave you. God will punish you, very dark black man. You the grace. Anybody don't come meet you say Dorinda skincare products give them any issue for their body. So why you posting my video on your page? I wanted to ignore you, but no, I cannot even ignore you. Because why are you posting my video on your page? For what? You just want to spam you that lady, I don't know, I don't give a fuck if I do that my product spoils people's skin. You go and deal with that until you have a complaint from anything I promote on Instagram. Why is you posting my video? Why you waste time? I mean, I tag her to this video. You get to go sit down with ring light with you. You get to go sit down with ring light with you. If you follow me, try that rubbish when you follow Jenny's girl, try when she called the bed. They run out that skelter. Are you stupid? Very black man, are you mad?
Hey.
I decided to calm down. I don't want to do drama again. You just about that. Very black man, are you a crazy person? You know who you're in front of? Can you imagine this idiot? Chineke me. Number one, I am not even Dorinda's ambassador, so make that one dey clear. That one should be very clear. Now this idiot, this animal, when they call very dark black man, they post my video for a person. Are you stupid? You dey mad? They don't follow you talk about it. They don't tell you say my name Nkechi before you start. Very black man, are you stupid? You know me before. Every product from Dorinda has that registered number. Can you see that? Who be this one? Very dark man, who the fuck are you? I remember I give me scarf, make us cover my head. Can you imagine? Plus, I this ring light too much. When I on normal light. Let me on normal light for house lights.
So guys, una don see the matter na wey dey na. Una don see the matter wey dey. Very dark black man. He say na that one you know say Nkechi Blessing head no dey house. Nkechi Blessing head no dey house o. Hey. But I like wetin the guy dey do as he just dey fight against all this skincare wey be say they'll just go missing different chemical wey they take dey burn people's skin. They'll use that take dey burn people's skin, no be small something. Imagine I give my younger sister money, say okay buy me cream, say sister this cream go good for your body oh, send money come make I buy am for you. I send up to 35,000 abi 40,000, say make you buy the cream, come you buy am come. I use am 2 days, my lab come begin dey burn. Neck dey burn, lab dey burn. Now I throway am quick quick. I throway am. Dat cream I no even see NAFDAC number for dat cream sef. To just dey make nonsense for pipu, take dey spoil pipu skin, take dey spoil pipu skin. And all dis our baby celebrities dem, na dem dey do dis, na dem dey be ambassador to all dis skin care pipu, na dem dey do the advert. So wetin cause dis wahala na, very dark black man tell Nkechi Blessing say you dey do advert of skin care and you dey use filter. Why you dey use filter? Use your normal face make dem know say the cream dey work for your skin. Na dat one oh, na im burst everywhere. So when Nkechi come take provotalize, no be small thing. Egbe come area don scatter. Nkechi don provotalize. My country pipu, una know Nkechi na. Una know say Nkechi no be gentle woman at all. If you tell am one, e go give you 20. If you tell am 20, e go give you 1,000,000. E no care. Nkechi go give you gbas as you take like am or as you take want am. So guys, make una share dis video. Na the katakata wey dey between Nkechi Blessing and very black dark man body na be dis one. Dat one don reply, I go still bring the video. So do not forget to share dis video. Drop your comment on the comment section. Thank you my people. Bye bye.